Creeper got mad and angry eyes. One look from him can paralyze. Resist at any time or place. Creeper there slap right across your face. Yeah. Take care. Gonna get you good. Upon his lips the taste of pain, venom kiss of living say. He's got a rod beneath his coat, he's gonna ram right down your throat. Make you grovel on the floor, spit up and scream and beg for more. He'll whip you and strip you down. Gotcha. Out night. Creeper got mad and angry eyes. One look from him can paralyze. Resist at any time or place. Creeper there slap right across your face. Yeah. Take care. Gonna get you good.
Bruh.
Hey, traders, what's going on? Welcome to episode 7 or 10. You could be doing anything, but you're here. My God, man, it's Monday, I think. So we went all out today. Third stream of the day. And I'm exhausted. Really, really exhausted. Okay. I don't even know why I'm live, but it's cool, dude. Bitcoin's up $80 since the daily close, which is great, man. Very good. But still confined within the parameters of what we would think to be some sort of rectangle man. All right. A little bit more clear on the 4 hour, but we know the area of resistance. It's that 8,500 spot. Breaking that, we could have a nice run up to maybe 9K, 8,950 or whatever, which is a 38% retrace from that previous discernible high. All right. You know, we've got the beautiful channel. Oh my God, it's like a work of art, is it not? Fortunately, your 20 simple moving average is about to bearishly cross over that 200, and then just a little bit after that, you might be getting the death cross. So you see all those moving averages are angling down now. We've got to get that changed, man. And here we are. We can just go and take a look at the stream. I think the morning stream, where I talked about what was going to happen on this new candle was going to be the first level of positive momentum we've seen since when? September 19th. We got it, man. Welcome. Welcome to the Positive Momo Club. It's been a long journey, but we did it. We did it. So bullish engulfing candle confirmed. We haven't talked since that close. Bullish divergence on the RSI confirmed. Nice. Two nice variables. Soon, I think we really do need to get back above that 200-day moving average, as it's been regarded as resistance after it broke that fateful day, September 26th. Oh my God. Okay. Ultra Crypto T8 Marathon. Is that what it is, Nick? That thing comes supercharged, man. I'm just happy to be here. Despite my fatigue. I'll get over it, man. What's going on? There you go. So, there are a couple ways of looking at Bitcoin right now. One being the beautiful equidistant channel we've had charted for literal months. No changes needed to be made. I think after we created this bottom, we haven't had to touch this thing. It's been perfect. All right, but the other way of looking at it, thanks to Jeremy S. and a couple others, we might have something like this. Okay? You've got yourself a very nice kind of falling wedge developing, which is great for bulls. Downsloping price contraction. It's awesome, dude, because like even people that don't believe in Bulkowski patterns, like the ascending triangles, the broadening wedges, the head and shoulders, all that, they do respect wedges. Okay? Talking about David Weiss himself. He even says in his book, Trade's About to Happen, like he doesn't care for patterns, but there's something about that wedge. There's something about the two downsloping converging trend lines, or upsloping, but it's up, you know, if it's like this, man. There's just something about it that just is extremely reliable. And this pattern is momentous. Remember what we did, man? Just for fun. Okay, we create our Gartley, our little Gartley that ushered in everything. The God harmonic, remember? How many of these can we fit inside our wedge? You know, dude, it's just like, we're comparing, you know, it's Jupiter, and we're putting all the Earths in the Jupiter, dude. Okay, momentous sized pattern. Wow. Kappa. Hello. Sorry I had to do that. It's just fun. And I'm exhausted. Okay, just leave me alone. Just got down some physical activity. Good for everything, man. All right. So, with the wedge, if we're not looking at it as a rectangle on the daily, we could be saying it's a descending triangle or something, man. Well, if that's the case, you're starting to break out. And so I don't really see, there's no real price action on a breakout here. And it's the daily. So, just, again, if we're to break the upsides, I'll see at 8,500. We should probably hit that at some point soon, unless this is that trash. Because 8,500 is just the overhead resistance, I think, that we've manufactured recently. And if you break that, there should be no reason why we wouldn't get to 8,950. Okay. And there's square ups at way higher than that. Talking like 9,700 near the golden retrace, the 618. And of course, the downsloping resistance of this little wedge at 9,250 or so, depending on when you got there. Okay. So that should clear things up. This should give some clarity on the situation at hand for the corn. We never quite touched that 7,250, 7,500 support. We got 99, 98% of the way there, though, didn't we? Wasn't Bukowski kind of a creep? Well, according to his most recent book, dude. I don't even know if I want to talk about it. It's kind of embarrassing. What is it? From boardroom to bedroom? Or the other way around? Someone help me out here. Jeez. Oh, I got a copy of it. Should I go get the copy and show y'all? Dude, you won't believe it. You'll be like, this is unbelievable. Oh my God, dude. It'd be like me, like doing this, right? Hey, I'm a live streamer, I'm trading, all that. And then all of a sudden I get into like ballroom dancing, which I'm not saying there's anything wrong with ballroom dancing, but it would just be like, what? Ray's got into ballroom dancing? Huh? That's kind of what that's where he's gone. He spent too much time out in his backyard with his dog. Okay. NYC Pitbull. Do I look like I need to pay mine? I don't think so. Okay. Brukowski. Nah, it's Brukowski. Yeah. Is it Bitcoin broke? Bitcoin's on sale? Dude, I mean, like, the arguments can be made that there's value. It's not the most value, but across all markets, you get reversals at 618s. We didn't even hit the 618, dude. The 618's at 7,250. All right. Really interested to see if, man, I want this. It'd be nice to see this bullish divergence play out to at least see us hit the top of the wedge again, man. That'd be nice. That would give me more reason to believe this is real, because, you know, it's like 1, 2, and 3 up here already. So I guess it's good, but yeah, we could just fall through this. That's what I worry about. But what I like is how we have the bullish divergence on the RSI. Being so close to the support, it would lead you to believe it's going to be a lot more difficult for market participants to push this price lower when you're showing clear as day divergence. Okay, man? And you're starting to build that positive Momo. So let's see we'll see how much follow through price action we get, you know, in the coming days or week, right? How high can we go? We could go higher for sure. Okay. Like, there are times we wait until times like this to say that it makes more sense that we would break to the upside here than downside. Okay. And of course, that can always be wrong, but again, there are times when it doesn't make any sense to be talking about where Bitcoin could go. I don't know. I don't have the data. We need more information. We need more. We finally got a little bit more. Okay. Dancing TA connects. Yeah, man. Who is this? This is Orphyd. ORPHYD. The song's called Electric Sheep. You're listening to WRAY 88.8 FM, 589 AM. Kings FM or something. I don't know. Dude, it's too much, man. My body, I don't know how much more my body and mind can take today. I'll tell you, I'm leaving it all out on the field. That is a certainty. Worry about it being too loud. Could you get a sound check? Because I'm seeing the decibel levels a little over what it's normally. I just don't want it to be too much, man, and drown out. Okay? Or just be, some people don't prefer the music. I don't want them to be marginalized or something, dude. When Moon. We hit Moon. Moon was like 14K. Near 14K, right? That was Moon. Now we have come back. We've done the slingshot back to, we're in between Earth and the Moon now. So things massively oversold. Do you mean AIDS massively overbought? Yeah. Volume's fine. It's great, man. What's up, Mr. Sintin, man? Thank you, dude. TAJ. Thomas Bogatsky, let's go! Let's go!
Thomas, eggplant. Bukowski tipped $59.58. I handle her cup and double bottom simultaneously while measuring the move of my rising wedge, and I have an 88% chance of a breakout.
Oh my god, it's Thomas Eggplant Bukowski. That's what the N stands for. What? Hold on. What is the N? I mean, Thomas. It's like, dude, I don't know, man. I was actually just reading that to someone, one of my lady friends. I serenaded her with some excerpts from the book. I believe that was on the page before, or the previous page or something. Dude, Thomas, man, thanks for the 59.58. Okay, all Kappa-ing aside, man, coming in hot, in heavy, dude. I will go downstairs. It's downstairs. Yeah, it's not up in my office, man. That book is too hot and heavy, man. Good Lord. I'm exhausted. So, old Eggplant Bukowski, we got ourselves that down slow and channel. We're hitting the support here. All right, a little bit of Class C divergence turned into convergence, and you're rallying, but it almost just looks like a flag still, right? We did get a confirmed bullish engulfing candle on the close just 3 hours and 20 minutes ago or something. All right, and now we're rising again up 1.46% with Bitcoin. No surprise at all. Oh my god, man. Eggplants in the chat. Eggplants in the chat. Oh man. Oh, we'll go to XRP, dudes. We certainly will. I don't know, but Tom, I know you're asking, people asking about it. I'm not really sure. It's just like there's a reality of it being so. Right? You know what? I want to share something. Should we look at XRP first? I think we'll just look at XRP first. Poloniex. Nothing like Thomas Egg Bulkowski coming in made me catch my third wind or something. All right, we're at 28 cents, nearing the Grau theory. I think the Grau theory is a target, but just so we know. It's beautiful. Someone was like, what are the targets you and Larley were talking about? It's like, dude, look. I mean, look where you go, $60 or something stupid. I mean, of course it's pipe dreams. But it's like if you're we're not talking about where it's gonna go. We're talking about where it could go if it was to run to the top of the freaking channel that it's in. It seems like it's impossible, right? Like there's no chance it could ever happen. And yeah, I mean, that sounds nuts, right? XRP ever doing that? I mean, dude, seeing XRP at $1 would be nuts. Like, I'd be party parrot, everything up in here, all the confetti. I'd make my 2080 melt, my 2080 Ti melt with graphic encoding overload if XRP even hit $1. Okay, but you can't say that just based on technical analysis, we might be at a decent area value. Okay, you've had your opportunities for a while now, right? Only since August of 2018 have you had a chance to buy at these levels. So let's see if we can buckle up. I do think it's going to require Bitcoin to continue its bull rally. All right. Nice, man. Yeah, stay at home king, man. EVGA for the win says he really thinks 7,700 to 7,500 is important. Yep. I think that straight up very important. You break 7,500. There is like a 7,250 mark, like a candle close on the daily, but like below that, it's like 6,800 to 6,200. Man, it's not good breaking that. But I mean, like, you know, you are getting down to deeper retraces there, then, right? We know 7,250 again is that golden retrace. Okay. Story time.
Bruh.
Lost $560 on my short today, but won $470 on the dollar half holding table. Hashtag hedge your bets. Smiley face. Smiley face. Hey Mitch, kissing face.
Sorry for your losses, Timothy. Janika, man. Thanks for the threes, dude. Hedge your bets. Hashtag connect. Excuse me. Hello? Jeez. What a wild world we live in. GBT. I haven't looked at that in a long time, dude. Dude, oh my god. I hate it. I can't use my voice changer. It's like every time I open it, you must restart your computer for these to take effect. And I'm like, no. And then I'll shut down my PC and I'll turn it back on. It's the same thing over and over and over. When I need it, it doesn't happen.
Good and terrible.
Okay, so anyway, XRP. Let's go to XRP to BTC because I think that one's very interesting, right? Been beaten down over and over and over since Christmas Eve of last year. And now, could it be Kangs? It could be Kangs, right? Are we seeing a reversal? Are you kidding me, dude? No. We're good. Sorry. Okay, so if this is real life, all right, getting closer and closer to that 200-day moving average, obviously going to be regarded as resistance. 4,000 sats resistance. That we were talking about earlier today, right here. I think it's a big deal, right? Cha. You kind of broke it. Did you break it though? No, it's like you freaking closed at it. You know, trying to break it. So if you can get above it. Dude, I don't know. Is this like a wedge or something? Nah, it's just more like it's nothing right now. I don't know the structure of this asset right now, okay, dude? I don't even know if there's anything we can do about it. There you go, maybe. All right. Like 1 and 2 and 3. Whew. Whoa, dude. Everyone just calm down. Okay? So, maybe that's going on. I wonder, is it some sort of weird scuffed inverse head and shoulders? Where you got a left shoulder, a weird double head, and then a right shoulder. And that was the neckline, and you've broken the neckline. I don't really care either way. I'm just telling you, if you're to actually in time, like we're talking like from swing trader aspect, if this is not a joke, which it clearly has been a hilarious joke for a year, your target's 5,500 to 7,500. Okay, between 382 and 618. That's it, and that could take us a month or two to get up there, just based on how much time. Look, it's all relative to the amount of time we built this down sloping structure. It's not going to happen overnight, us getting to these targets, so look out. Y3 videos today. Hey man, you ever feel like just going as hard as you can? I mean, it's like 3 streams, sometimes 10-hour live streams in one sitting, it's just, why not, man? But hey, if you don't want me to do it anymore ever again, I won't. It's fine. Okay. So what are we gonna look at? Bat to this will never make it. Yeah. Look what it's done since it hit the entry of the trade setup. Now, of course, it may not do anything. Okay. It may not ever make it to the targets, but I'll be danged if the bullish bat on bat isn't one of the most ironic things ever, right? I mean, a pattern that started in January, hitting its PCZ late September. We're talking pretty much, 10 months? A 10-month large pattern. And you had the divergence to boot. Not bad. Okay? It's a long way to go. It's a long journey. But man, let's get a big round of applause for BAT.
Please clap.
So why do you care about BAT to BTC? Why do you care about an asset that it requires 4 trades to be complete, when you can just deal with 2 here? Hi, US dollar tether, US dollar. Hi, I get BAT with it, and then I get US dollar back when I sell it. Wow. Why do we gotta go through all the stupid commotion of going US dollar to Bitcoin to BAT to Bitcoin to US dollar? That sounds terrible, dude. Oh, this one looks like it's gone bankrupt, dude. Yeah, dude, this is definitely what bankrupt assets look like. Though I understand. Oh, man. January 2018, GBT, Genesis Vision, was gonna overtake the world. $55 per coin. And now we're sitting at $1.22 per coin. Per S coin. Alright. Pathetic. Genesis Vision Connect. This is literally what OTC bankrupt assets look like on the stock market. I mean, this is what they normally turn into. Just where'd the liquidity go? Nothing, dude. No one trading it. No one making the market. Now I'll give you this. All right. I'll give you this. Though you don't have a structure really, the divergence is extremely real. On the daily, that is, right? That is beautiful right there. But I don't really know how to look at it. Again, it's just like The heck? Oh. It looks like we had some sort of breakout. And it looks like it could have been slightly some sort of wedge or something in the end. I don't know. Dude, you're asking me about a trash can coin. Okay. Okay, so maybe that's it, man. If we play it real smooth, I mean, I guess, dude, what am I supposed to do with this illiquidity with the wicks like this, man? It's hard for me to seriously Fibonacci from that high to low. It's almost embarrassing. It's like, I don't know if it's going to be real or not. This is so illiquid. So if that's the case, I'm just like, fine, F it. I'll just do a measured move. Get it over with, man. God. There you go, dude. Here's your measured move. $1.67. Type in the chat. Oh my God.
Is it over with the trimming 5 pro higher? Hell no!
Oh my God.
Thomas, Eggplant, Bukowski tipped $159.58. Heavy appreciation for you consistently showing up and trying to improve people's lives. Stay with the channel /Discord/Patreon, especially for the younger folks. You will be miles ahead of your peers. Much respect, brother.
Thanks, Thomas, Eggplant, Bukowski. I think at this point I need to go downstairs and get the book and plug it. Okay, since Thomas, Eggplant, Bukowski is literally here, I want to show you this, okay? And do not think it's ironic that I might just be in my boxers right now. Okay, I'm gonna go get this book and I'm gonna show it to you, and we're gonna I'm gonna read an excerpt from it. Okay, Thomas, is that cool, dude? Thanks so much, man. Unbelievable. $219.16 on the evening. Thanks so much, dude.
Bruh.
Wow. Hype in the chat for Probes, man. I'm getting this book and we're gonna read a little bit. I'll be right back.
Bruh.
From Bedroom to Boardroom by Thomas N. Bukowski. Eggplant Bukowski. I need some fake glasses to put on. Chapter 1. Lowell, Massachusetts, the mid-1980s. I should have called the police. Gina stood in her apartment and looked out the sliding glass door across the lawn to the maples standing in line like soldiers at attention. I'm not going to think about what happened, she said in a voice struggling to reach a whisper, a raspy sound even she didn't recognize. But she did think about it a lot. She was tired of reliving the assault, tired of the nightmares, tired of the pain she felt with every movement of her neck. Even her hair hurt, as if every strand frayed when Clint dragged her toward the bedroom 5 days ago. How can hair hurt? She wondered, but it did.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
How was that, dude? That okay? Okay. So yeah, screw GVT. but nice divergence with maybe a wedge. It looks like a potential reversal could happen, but good luck, dude. Good luck. His mama call him Cassius Clay. I'ma call him Cassius Clay. That's right, Neil. Nathaniel Schwartz, not this way. We took off Super Chat. They can't screw us anymore, all right? Oh, by the way, Larley sent something very interesting about the Stock Trader Almanac. And the stats in there are just insane. So let's just talk about the October Almanac. Maybe just pull it up here. Crap, will you let me? Nope, I knew it, dude. Crap. All right. So October, Almanac, known as the Jinx month because of crashes in 1929 and 1987. Black Monday. The 554-point drop on October 27th, 1997. Back-to-back massacres in 1978 and 1979. Roll Tide, both years Alabama won the national title. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Friday the 13th in 1989 and the meltdown in 2008. Yet October is a bear killer and turned the tide in 12 post-World War II bear markets. 1946, 57, 60, 1962, 66, 74, 87, 1990, 1998, 2001, 2002, and 2011. First October Dow top in 2007, 20-year 1987 crash anniversary, down 2.6%. The worst 6 months of the year ends with October. No longer the worst month, and these are just excerpts, I guess. I don't know, the references in the book. So the best Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ month from 1993 to 2007, pre-presidential election year. October is 1950. Okay. So, pretty cool. So how else do we explain that since 1950, 90% of the gains in the market were made during November through April, compared to a minor gain May through October? The Almanac is a practical investment tool that alerts you to those little-known market patterns and tendencies on which shrewd professionals enhance profit potential. You'll be able to forecast market trends with accuracy and confidence when you use the Almanac to help you understand. Okay, so shout out to Larley for bringing that up. He got that today. All right. Well, I'm not wasting my time with, dude. I didn't waste much time on it. It's just a lot of stuff happened. I mean, Thomas Eggplant Bulkowski tipped, and we read an excerpt from the book. Okay. Won't worry about it, man. What I would worry about is not wasting my time on something like Yext that I brought up a couple times today. But this is it, man. This is what dreams are made of. A bullish Gartley pattern hitting the PCZ with daily divergence on both oscillators. Oh my God. It's just like this book. It's that sexual. All right. Jeez, Barney Fife, man. We know you're not good at trading. You have no patience at all, dude. Get the F out of here. This is my third stream today. You don't like it? I don't care. I don't need you watching if you got problems with me, dudes. We do astute analysis of many assets across many markets. And yeah, I was helping someone out because they asked about GBT. And I said, okay, I will do an analysis. I'll try my best. Okay, get over it. Jesus Christ. These are usually the worst 2 to 3 months of the year for crypto. It probably depends on the context, right? The trend you're in. I mean, remember, we're just correcting after an extremely amazing recovery, U-shaped recovery. So, just saying. So anyway, before I was rudely interrupted by a very ungrateful person that should just start their own stream so we can all talk crap to him. Okay. From your high to low, common retrace levels $18.14 to $20.08. Okay. That's it. And it's so cool that right outside of the golden retrace golden zone is the PCZ of a potential bearish. Well, that'd be a bearish cipher. Yeah. It's close, man. It's real close. I mean, 382 is the minimum. I'd give it that. So isn't it beautiful when it all lines up like that? When you're ending one extremely large pattern is running into another. So taking a long and then up here at 21 bucks taking a short for the ride down. Wow. Fantastic. Trading in life with Barney Fife. Well, dear God, I'd watch it. I'd watch it, dude. Okay, so great news, man. Great news. ENPH, in-phase energy. The potential double bottom that has, since it hit the 113% retracement, it has bounced resoundingly. And this was an idea we had that, hey man, if it can make a slightly lower low and hit that 113%, then it could be setting up for the cipher, the bearish cipher. And I'm not saying that anyone should be taking a long here because of the cipher being maybe potentially a pattern. That's not what you're supposed to do with these patterns. You're supposed to take shorts at the PCZ. Doesn't matter. It's like a lower low double bottom. And as you can see right here. So, hold on. All right, you got a low, slightly lower low, 113% retrace. And you bring it to the upside. I mean, it's almost like, yeah, it's a 3 white soldiers. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Definitely a piercing line reversal. That's for sure. So what made this so special? The fact that we had a support. Thomas Bulkowski, man, are you kidding me?
Is that a joint?
Thomas, eggplant, Bulkowski tipped $40.42. October also has more 1% moves up and down in the S&P 500. Far, far more than any other mother. I hear uncertain troll howling in the distance. Volatility troll. Options playing. Eggplant. Time.
Eggplant? Hold on, I gotta get it, man. I had my volatility egg plant in the backup battle station. How foolish of me. Okay, we got this, man. Dude, thank you so much, Thomas Eggplant Bulkowski, for the $259.58. A perfecto number, man. Oh my God. Whew. That's the golden Jesus number. All right. Wow, man. I don't know how much my little heart can take, man. All right. TB on deck. What? Is the measure move of a Gartley or harmonic a full 100% retrace, or is it really a measure move down? No, a bullish Gartley. Well, what do you? I mean, we were looking at it, the other one, Yext. No, you don't really use measured moves. There's no such thing as a measured move per se on a harmonic. It's just you use Fibonacci, or you just swing for the fences. Okay, like in this situation, the way you could play this for real at the PCZ. This is legit how Casey Stubbs does it. 3 to 1, 2.94 to 1 reward to risk. It's a really loose stop though, man, right? Really loose. But with this kind of divergence, man, and you can think maybe to not this low, but maybe this low, these lows, okay, and make your, make it worth your while. Like just the, your reward way higher than your risk, okay? Having a little bit loose or tighter stop. And you do that, you give yourself options. It's almost like 2.9 to 1 reward to risk. That's pretty freaking good, man. You can do that and you just go to the golden retrace. If you want to be conservative. But see, Casey Stubbs is like, all right, well, we're going to swing for the fences. We're going for X and A as our targets. And then it's just like, well, how can you say that when you've got a potential bearish harmonic with a PCZ at like $20, $21? So that's why it's, might make sense to layer out on the trade because of this bearish pattern. And you got to be able to call audibles, right? What if on the daily, towards these levels, we're starting to show bearish divergence and stuff? Okay, it might be a good idea to start moving stops up or taking profit, whatever. Okay. Anyway, that makes sense. It's all strategic, man. So it's like it's all about the reward to risk. Anything above 3 to 1 is good. All right. Anything at 3 to 1 or greater is what you want, because that means you only have to win 33% of your trades. Wow. 2 to 1, you gotta win half your trades, man. Gotcha. No FOMO. Man, dude, this volatility egg, dude, it's here for life, man. It will be with us. It showed up like the day of, or maybe the night before or whatever, the big drop happened. So we call it the volatility egg. It's just it's a trinket. Okay, it's like a 3% increased chance of having volatility if I have it on my desk. All right. Congrats, Matt Thompson, man. Yeah, no FOMO for sure, man. For sure. It's like once that starts getting away from your entry, right, you can start feeling a lot more safe to start moving up that stop, right, just to protect yourself. Because it's like, you're getting up to like, what if you're getting up to like $17.50, $18? It's like you're so far away from where that stop would be, then you're even really from the entry, then you can just move the stop up to the entry, and if it fails, who cares, right? You're protected. You're good. Anyway, but that's like a thing, man. 3 to 1 for swing trading, and on day trading, a lot of times people are doing 2 to 1 because it takes, there's no if you're intraday trading, very seldom are you going to be getting 3 to 1 reward to risks. Okay, not enough time in a day. Whew. Did I already cover XRP? Yeah, Matt Thompson, I covered XRP, the US dollar, and XRP to BTC. Okay. You love a man who talks to you, TA. This is all it is up in here. I don't know. Well, like we're gonna start getting into the erotic novels now by Thomas Eggplant Bukowski. Okay. Yeah, tonight's NFL game was brutal. Poor Baker Mayfield got just destroyed. OGI? Huh. Well, thing lost its soul, but hey. I mean, maybe you're getting a little divergence now in the short term. That's so gnarly, man. I think that's below an 88% retrace at this point. Yeah, dude, that's like 95+% retrace on OGI. That's super gnarly, man. So I guess you could say value areas, maybe. Don't know if we have any kind of wedge. Oh my goodness, maybe. It's almost just like a channel, dude. But I guess you could definitely say that it might be some wedge, right? Impulse, and then you've got the consolidation that started here. I think there's multiple ways you could look at it, right? Or we could just go 1 and 2 and 3, like, right? You have that potential wedge stuff, then you got 1 and 2 here. Just bring it on down. If you do it like that, though, it's like you've broken out. It's awful. That's so bad, man. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like this. Let's look at the weekly. Maybe the weekly is gonna be helpful. No, the weekly is awful, but you can see the price contraction. And look, we're soon approaching the 200-week moving average on OGI. Dang, dude. You broke some sort of support, I think. All right. Did you? Wow, look at that, chat. You see it? Historical upsloping support, October 2015, 2016, 2017. And you broke it. Literally this week. I mean, last week you broke it but closed above it. And now you're out. And you're probably going to touch that 200-week moving average. I don't know how that's going to go, man. But, dude, you got no help on the weekly. Holy crap. Now, I'll say this. Oddly enough, we're about to be double bottoming. But you can't argue and say that if a low, if it stays, I mean, is it hidden divergence, man? It might be argued that you've got some hidden bullish divergence or something. But I don't know. There's probably better opportunities out there. Okay. Normally, hey, you get something beaten down like this, I want to see weekly bullish divergence with daily bullish divergence. I'm talking. What do I want to see, man? I want to see something like let me find it. Which one is it, dude? Which one was it? Was it in phase? No. Which one was it, dude? It was the triple MACD bullish divergence on the weekly. Dude, it's like too many charts. Too many freaking charts, man. Not now. I can't remember, man. Which one was giving me the Jesus? Somebody help me out here. Okay, which one was the triple MACD bullish divergence on the weekly? Dude, it's so ungodly. This is gonna kill me, dude. I'm not gonna be able to sleep. I mean, I'll definitely be able to sleep, but I'm just saying, like, it's gonna be real tough getting over this, not being able to remember which one it was. Unbelievable. Oh, this is the one. This is one of the ones Larley was looking at, where you got to maybe double bottom on UBX, Ubiquity. No, this is Unity. Sorry, Unity Biotech. There is Ubiquity. There's another one we're looking at. God, these freaking names. And look at the weekly bullish divergence on this one, dude. Oh, was it ODP cruelty? Are you sure? Office Depot Connect? Why is that not ringing a bell with me? No, it's not the one exactly. though it's there, it's not the triple. No, and it was triple. It was bearish divergence. That's what it was, dude. Sorry, my mind's losing itself right now. Hold on. I got this, man. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and the sounds of the bearish divergence. The bearish divergence. This was it right here. Texas Instruments, dude. But yeah, looking off at Zspo, man. Yeah, let's go hype in the chat. ODP. Dude, where is it? Here it is. Actually, don't even think this is the one, because I think it might be XCL or something. Or this is terrible. Look at the divergence here. Okay, weekly divergence on Texas Instruments. All right, with what? That's the weekly. Okay. Oh, nice. Bearish. Well, it's not even a bearish and gold. It was so close to bearish and golding today. Okay. I'm holding on to this one for dear life. So, you got a rising wedge. You've got a golden mean ratio. From your high to low, the 1618. I mean, look at the daily. Look at the weekly. Look at the wedge. Look at the double top. Yeah, people could argue that it might be some sort of ascending triangle. Whatever, man. Okay. You just, if it's an ascending triangle, it's not one you want to be playing. I'm sorry, dude. Look, how in the world could you want to go long on an asset that's showing impending price action reversal on one of the most significant time scales of all time, which is the weekly? Okay. And at the same time, the daily, which is extremely significant. Okay. I don't care if it looks like an ascending triangle, dude. Jeez. It was XCL. Let's go, Opium Fish. Let's go right now. There it is. Oh, yeah. So your daily with the double top, potential double top, the bearish Harami today. Oh, my God. The wedge. It's like Texas Instruments, man. These are ones we've been scanning for. Here's your weekly. There it is. Oh my God. How can you even... Why is it like that? Okay. It's just bugging. So high, higher high, highest high, lower levels. A positive Momo every time. And look at this parabola trend line. Look how far away you are from this insanity. So much downside potential. And it's just like a high flyer that's going to lose its soul at some point, okay? And the oscillators are kind of telling us it might be soon. So we're going to take a shot. Well, I already taken a shot, so. Thanks, Nathaniel Short, man. Appreciate you watching, dude. And supporting the stream, dude. I mean, ODP is not bad, dude. It was a long and it hit the entry. Oh, God. The Growl Master. You talking about the Growl Master? Oh, yeah. Mr. Coffeen wants to see some X. Sad music and rain. What? This isn't sad. Dude, this is the music I was playing when Bitcoin was pumping to 52-week highs. Such a good song. We're in friggin' outer space, man. Do you see an outer? Oh, dude. Y'all know about Betelgeuse or whatever? The supernova? It could happen tomorrow or it could happen in a couple hundred years, but the supernova should be happening. We should be able to see it. It's probably already happened, but it's like 646 light years away from us, so it will take a very long time to get here. Right, that explosion of the supernova. It'd be so cool if I could bring it up behind my chart screen. I think it's Betelgeuse, right? Not Betelgeuse, whatever. Betelgeuse is the brightest star in Orion. And marks the western shoulder of the constellation. Betelgeuse is one of the largest known stars and is probably at least the size of the orbits of Mars or Jupiter around the sun. And it's growing because it's become a super red giant or whatever, because it's just become unstable. And there's theories that it's collided into another star system or something like that too, because it's got some weird, like, it's like oblong now. It's not like it's lost its spherical integrity. So, you know, the diameter is about 700 times the size of our sun, 600 million miles. Think about 600 million mile diameter, and from here to our sun is 93 million miles. So the size of this sun reaches all the way to close to Jupiter. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Okay. If you're enjoying the Beetlejuice talk, hit the like button, the bell, sub. Thanks. NASA? It's pronounced NASA. Sorry. Having issues over here. I don't know what's going on. My internet okay? What? I've never seen this happen before. Okay, it's just not gonna play. That's great, dude. Band freaking tastic. I'll leave this on the play at least. Whatever. What's up, Vince K? Vince says his first night on my channel was the night it was me and I had a hat on. Almost bought, but I said I was in longs. What? I mean, like, yeah, of course, but like, no, I'm sure when we were 13K, I was saying no value at all, over and over and over again, you know, getting scolded for it by many FOMO peoples, okay? ODP, man, it's literally, you know, it's a god stock, dude. It's the stock of our time. Office Depot, man. It will overtake literally Bitcoin and the United States of America. The USA will be ODP. Okay. Is this porn music? Yeah, it's TA chart porn. Yeah. Sorry, music's loud. My bad. It wouldn't be that bad if it wasn't like, dude. I had to be so. It's so sensitive. It's a vague pronoun, but it. All right, don't worry about it. So still holding strong on this one until the end, okay? I will be like the peoples in Titanic that were, you know, the ship sank and they were in the waters, and it's like, I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go of the short. I will not cover until you hit the PCZ. Not the PCZ, excuse me, the target. We hit the PCZ. That's when I went short on this asset. Waiting for 44 bucks. Okay. Don't know if we're going to get there, but hey, you know, the bounce off the 200-day moving average makes me kind of scared, but I do like how weak we're looking right now. What's up, dudes?
Can you look AMD for me and Hive fam?
Bruh.
Hey. Thanks, Mr. Shadow Man, for the threes, dude. Much love, dude. This is a one-day jar, okay? No resets today. We will look at AMD Connect, all right? So, again, this is much greater. I think this is much greater than us all. This is a Beetlejuice-sized head and shoulders pattern, slanted head and shoulders pattern. And look how we dumped. We came back to the neckline, back tested it like the Jesus Man, then created the cipher, hit that entry, and now we're looking for lower prices eventually in time. I don't know how long it'll take us to get there. Time the measured move of this extremely large Mentis-sized pattern. It's around, it's like 15 bucks, but it puts us around 36.63. Okay. Follow your channel, man. Wells Fargo Connect, not good. I'm telling you, rate cuts are terrible for banks. I don't know how or why bank stocks would perform well when rate cuts are happening. Okay, like that's how they make good yields. That's how they used to make a lot of money, dude. A lot of it. So, yeah. Dash started pumping out of nowhere, lost your gun? No, it didn't, dude. Remember Dash, the analysis we've had was weekly double bottom bullish divergence. Come on, man. Let's look at AMD and then we'll go to Dash Connect, okay? Don't let me forget, okay? Oh, this thing's fallen. It fell out of the channel already. Okay? It's done nothing but sell off. And go to the weekly. The weekly is what's so concerning here, right? Where you had this extreme amount of bearish divergence. Really on both oscillators, you know, it's like high. And then you get like the rally. You get like the tail end MACD bearish divergence, whatever, you know, it's like on the way up. Like this. Okay, that is divergence for real. So, it's like a huge double top. And yeah, of course, it could just be whatever. You're looking for much deeper retraces if you're looking for value on a long. Schaffer. Right, we've hit this 382 twice. Oh, this is a double bottom, man. I don't know. If it is, that's great, but I'll tell you, for someone to take a long value trader, whatever, there's way lower you could go, man, and there's not much support. We can go way back. There's so much historical support on, look at this, man. There's like nothing. Look left. Doesn't it seem, this is 2000, 2007 areas. Doesn't it seem like we could come down to 2650? We could come down to 2325 and there'd be other supports, right? I think there's a lot further you could go on this asset, but I think you get, look at this huge run, you sell off so deep, and then you run again, and you're diverging so bad. So maybe there's going to be better areas of value, like 2350. Right? Look at the negative Momo. Look how on the weekly you're at 48. There's so much more room for downside potential. And not to mention the Momo shift, right? The breakout of the channel. But hey, you know what? You're above the 200-day moving average. I'll give you that. I really didn't like this because of the price action at the 52-week highs, right? Where 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, like quad top stuff. Awful. I see no divergence on the daily either. So again, though it's an asset, it to me doesn't look like there's much opportunity for a long. And for a short, there were better opportunities up here. Way better. See what I'm saying? I don't see a harmonic. Because you can't have a harmonic here, dude. It just doesn't make sense. Like, XA, nope. Doesn't make sense. We did it, Dan, man. We freaking did it. Dash Connect. Let me find it. Okay, it was Bitfinex. All right. No, Binance. Sorry. This was an unconventional one too. This one was like ONT, where you hit your PCZ 786. It wasn't really real here because it was too high. That wick, come on, dude. So it's like that could have made the whole thing invalid, and that could have been why you retraced. Like, look, for a cipher, you should not be ever going above a 1414 fib extension, but look how high that wick went. So maybe that wick is how we somehow got to the 886 instead of the 786, right? So anyway, you just had a rectangle, and you were showing a low, a slightly lower low, higher levels of relative strength. Dash Connect, dude. Little bearish rectangle. Look what you're doing. You've not broken out, dude. I know you're up 3% nearly today, but you're still in it. You're still confined. So you're not. Okay, man. Bitcoin 8,300. Hype in the chat. Up $91 on the day. Let's go. The Dash Funds only having it on Coinbase. What a joke. So we'll see the weekly. If I got it on the weekly, man. I freaking got it on the weekly, man. Okay, look at this. Look here. Listen. Pairing offline does not stop it. So you see, do you see kind of like Class B-ish divergence? The low about the same low. Higher levels relative strength. Could be convergence, whatever. I mean, this is a massive potential. Right? I mean, this area is just lower risk if you're talking about longs with upside potential, right? Not bad, dude. Dash making moves.
Bruh. Bruh.
I don't understand how it's only pumping on one exchange. That's so weird, dude. Hey, I own Dash on Coinbase, though. Thanks to a few of y'all, I think, or something. Dash was $90. What? Oh my god, dude, it is. Dude, that is... Look at this, chat. $90, man!
Bruh.
So, are we gonna get some sort of delayed response from the other exchanges? Oh man, what's gonna happen? Unfreaking real, dude. Okay, but like, hey, you know what? Those moves can happen on charts like this all the time. The weekly, man, not a joke. Up 33% in like 5 minutes. Let's go. You can thank the volatility egg for everything. Okay, man. Beautiful, man. Who let the bulls out indeed? That is what they're saying in the lores. Sweet. Dang, dude, this song's like gone. Wow, it's like it won't play anymore. Okay. Whatever. I'm sorry, I'm like super duper fatigued right now, alright? Oh my god. So yeah, this is the
Bruh.
9561 hype in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The egg is bronzed. Yes, stay at home king. Pure bronze. Oh yeah, dude. So my dad gave me like an old school like what the justice balance, what are the balance of justice, and he also gave me an hourglass He's had it forever. And so I'm like, hey man, I'll add to it, dude. I'll get some bronze. Start with an egg. We'll make some upgrades from there. Can you believe it, man? I don't think you can, man. Let's go Dash. We can do this, man. We can make it real cool. We can make this super duper cool, dude. Oh, it's lagging, man. It can't handle it. Dash, baby, dash. What is happening? My OBS is freezing right now. Oh. What's happening? Okay, we're good. There you go, dude. I mean, what's cooler than that, you know? Who's even live right now? We're doing RGB Pepes and the Dash logo, while Dash is pumping on one exchange and no others. God bless Coinbase and no other exchange. Anytime you want, logo's free. This is not Breaking Benjamin, this is Tycho. Savage Keyboard. That's right, Miss Shaver. You better be swearing your allegiance to the shiny egg. The egg bowl. Cabo. Oh my god. I'm just sapped of energy, dude. Okay. It's probably like illiquidity, man. I don't know. Someone's able to move this very easily. James, I feel so bad for those people, dude. Those are the same people that say TA's fake, probably. Okay. Oh yeah, pumping on Yobit. Yobit, man. What? $100, man. Wow.
Oh, would you look at this?
Chat, we're witnessing Dash Connect at $100, man.
That boy is good.
I just told you, James Glenn. God bless Coinbase and no other exchange. No, it's not even about Dash holders. I own a little Dash, but it's not on Coinbase. So it doesn't do anything for me. Shoot, James Glenn, you should have seen when Bitcoin Cash got listed to Coinbase for the first time. It hit $8,000 somehow. Yeah, not even a joke. It was all scammy, super scammy. Then they did an internal investigation, and they cleared themselves. No big deal. $102, chat.
Bueller.
We're just watching it. Unreal, man. So where's it going? Is it going to go to the wick? 104.89, 105? Good God. So is Monero not getting anything? Any love? You know, these other privacy coins? Dash back in. Dude, Dash is not moving on Binance. Like, it's like dead, dude. That's crazy to me. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, it was hilarious. Probably only like 3 people remember this, but I was like new at creating content and stuff, and we were talking about all this. There was this like Bitcoin Cash shill content creator, and he would come in and be like, I would get the targets right on like trades and stuff, like analyzing like Tron. It pumped up to this price, hit measure moves and stuff, and it went higher. And he's like, oh, so you were wrong. You were literally wrong. It's like, how can you be wrong when your targets get hit and it just keeps going higher? That doesn't make you wrong. And so this guy was talking about how Bitcoin Cash will be back at like it'll be at 10K soon. And this was like, dude, before like Bloody Sunday in March of 2018, dude. This was like it was still like the delusional loser content creators that made themselves known during the great FOMO of 2017, 2018. They still had like influence, right? It was like that delusion of grandeur. I think I'm gonna start layering into Neo at $175 because that's a good rounded number. They have and I love Verge. I think Verge is going to be the coin of 2018 because their team have really good hearts. Okay. These are literal words from FOMO kids. Okay, like not even kidding.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Okay. Alright, so I don't know. We just look at it. Look here, listen. But here you are over on Binance. Nothing's happening right now. You're getting a FOMO feeling about XRP? Okay. Depends on how long you're going to be holding it, dude. What's up, Aquinas Theory Man? He retracted his message, so I don't even know what he said. What if Dash chain links to IOTA potatoes, man? Who cares? These are just weird words about cryptos. I don't know. Bitcoin in a high mode. I would get some sleep wallets in high mode. Set up an alert. Dash connect. It certainly is a stable coin. I'll just tell you, man, like, you just look at the Poloniex chart, can't say you weren't warned on XRP, right? Just think about like a year from now, right? Let's say that upsloping channel holds, right? If we stay within it, XRP's got a lot of upside potential. Now, it may not hold in it and make, dump and suck, but whatever. Yes, why you have stop loss. Okay. I must break you, Miss Gonzalez. I must break you. Do we want to read another excerpt from Bedroom to Boardroom by Thomas Eggplant Bukowski, chat? Because we can. I've been live now for an hour and 24 minutes.
Bruh.
If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. I'm exhausted, man. Oh my God. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Clean, clear, crisp. This chart right here, man. It's beautiful. It's everything you'd ever need or want. Right, you got your major moving average, the simple moving average. You got your down sloping equidistant channel. You've got your horizontal line support. You got it all, man. XRP is a potential varsity athlete. Maybe, yeah. Another reading. Dude, I'm just so tired, man. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing, man? Okay, I might just have to get out of here. I'm so tired, man. I laid it all out on the field today, dude. Like, just tough, okay? So please just be gentle. This was my third live stream of the day. I did one at like 9 a.m., 10 a.m. today. Did one at 5 or 6 p.m. Eastern. I've been live since 11 Eastern or whatever. So, okay. So I'll leave with this. 8,500 is the resistance to break on Bitcoin. You break it, you could very well see 8,950, the beginning of the golden zone from that previous high. And that's what you're hoping for. You got to break this, man. 8,500. If you break 8,500, that means you're probably breaking the 200-day moving average at the same time. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. So I want to say thanks so much to Thomas Eggplant Bukowski, who just killed it tonight. $259.58. Thank you, Probes Man. Thank you, dude. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Schaffer. And thanks, Timothy Janika, for the contributions. All right. I will just be back sometime tomorrow. Don't know when. But just know I'll be thinking about you. So until next time, respect the TA.
XRP going to the moon. Yeah. Price gonna dip.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.